Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah and today's video is going to be on a celebrity recreation look. The person that I'm doing today is going to be Glorilla. Like, this eye makeup that she has going on is very simple. To me, it's still classy. It's not a lot going on with her face, not a lot going on with the eyeshadow or her lips or anything. She just, to me, I call it a statement look. She have those rhinestones in the inner tear duct, and I can see she have like some wing liner going on, and her lashes are not doing the most either. She have wore this look several times, and it's also going to be the look on her new album that's dropping 10/11. I can't wait. I'm so proud of her. She have really done her big one. She have accomplished so much, and she's like on top of it, and I want her to just keep rising up for the females in the rap group. She really doing it, and she doing it for Memphis too, because I'm from Memphis and I didn't talk in the call center a whole lot, so I kind of know how to cover it up. But when I'm really talking for real, like, you can really hear, like, I'm from Memphis, y'all. Let's get right into it. Okay, we're gonna start off with our brows. Normally I always have my brows done before I do videos because y'all, it be taking a long time. Like, I really feel like I'm a surgeon when it comes to these brows. And I use the alcohol pad just so I can wipe the oil away from the brows. Then I'm going to put some concealer on my eyelids and then put some translucent powder on top to knock some of that shine down. So going in with the eyes, I'm going to take like a brown and I'm going to pack this into my crease, and then I'm going to blend it out. And I keep looking over there at the picture because, y'all, I don't want to mess her look up because I don't need her coming for me. She ain't going to come for me, but I'm just saying I really don't want to mess it up because how can you mess up this look? It's so easy. Then I'm going to add a brow bone color because it looks like it was kind of bright on the brow bone. And then I'm going to put this nude color on the lids because, like I said, it's not a lot going on with those eyes, and I'm just keeping it as simple as possible. after I put the lashes on, I'm going to use these rhinestones that came from Shein. Usually with rhinestones, I know some people use like lash glue, but for this, y'all, this, I don't know what they put on the back of these rhinestones, but you don't need anything. You put them on and this it, y'all. I have worn these before, but not in this placement. And look, I was so happy when I had got that because look, I tried to make sure. Look at me. Yeah, okay. But yeah, like I was saying, I was trying to make sure that I get this as even as possible. I don't want to be out here looking crazy because some people won't even tell you that you're looking crazy. So it's up to me to make sure that it's right. Then I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. It really looked like she didn't have any on, but I still just lightly did it. And then I'm gonna do this face. Y'all try this look. It's very easy, very simple, and I feel like anybody can do it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below who should I do next. Peace. Oh, and subscribe to the channel. I forgot to tell y'all that because I know sometimes y'all be watching me and y'all be forgetting. So I don't want y'all to forget this time. Go ahead and click that little button. Okay? And I'm gonna be gone for real. Enjoy the rest of this video, y'all. I love y'all. Hey to all my new subscribers. And I'm gonna be back, y'all, with another video.